tragically killed in that plane crash. God, that was
back in 1982, wasn't it?
41 years ago.
it's unbelievable.
Yeah.
Brad filled in those mighty big shoes, man. Ozzy called him up, and he went out there and finished the whole tour with Ozzy. Went across the USA, went over to Japan, went to Europe, did an album, did the Speak of the Devil album, did everything, and then...
Yeah, well, I'll tell you, then Night Ranger finished the Dawn Patrol record, and the same week of late 82, Speak of the Devil and Dawn Patrol was released. Rudy Sarzo left Ozzy to go to Quiet Riot. We all know how well they did. Boom. And I came back to Night Ranger. Here I am 41 years later. There you go.
Yeah!
Having a blast. Thank you.
I gotta tell you, Kelly and I were, Brad, when he was playing with Ozzy, they did this King Biscuit Flower Hour live recording thing from, remember that play? It was King Biscuit Flower. And they were in Mid-South Coliseum in Memphis, Tennessee. And Kelly and I were like gathered around the radio and we were listening to it, and that show started, and Brad sounded so frickin' good. We're sitting there going, he's never coming back. That's the end of the band. That's the end of the band. But then, what do you know?
Fooled you.
Came back, man. Came back, and here he is. All these years later, Brad Gillis.
Yeah!
Come on, let's get Brad to play us an Ozzy song right now. What do you guys say? You guys want to hear an Ozzy song? Come on. I told you we're just gonna have fun. We're gonna mix it up tonight, huh? If you want to hear an Ozzy song, raise your hands in the air. Let's hear your hands in the air. Everybody.